Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kids. We are going to be making avocado toast today, and I have Sebastian with me helping out and Clifford on camera. Sebastian, will you tell them what we need for avocado toast?
Avocados, tomatoes, and all-purpose seasoning, and bread.
And bread. Now, we've already toasted our bread. It is ready. We don't have a toaster in our house. We use a pan on the stove. We just butter a little bit on one side, put it down, flip it over, and you've got this beautiful golden toast. So, yeah, I don't know why we don't have a toaster. It kind of disappeared when we redid the kitchen, and we just make it on the stove. All right, super easy, and it's yummy. So, Sebastian, how many avocados have you already mashed? Two avocados. So we have one more avocado. 2 plus 1 more, what does that equal?
What?
2 plus 1 more, what does that equal?
What?
2 plus 1, what does that equal?
3.
Someone needs to pay attention. Yes, 3. Will you scoop that out into that bowl and mash that? And while you do that, would you say, Mom, will you please do that? Yeah. Must be lunchtime. We're hungry. So the other thing, your avocado toast. We're going to take this avocado, mash it, and we're going to spread it on the toast. We like to put tomatoes on our avocado toast. So I'm just going to take this Roma tomato, and I'm going to use my knife on my cutting board, and I'm going to make slices of tomato. I almost said slices of avocado. That is not what's in my hand, huh, Sebastian? So I'm doing slices of tomato. We like fresh tomato on our warm avocado toast. Hopefully it's warm. Just set it in there. That's what I do. All right. Way to go scooping that out. Again, we cut our avocado beforehand to make sure it was nice and green on the inside. We have 3 avocados here and only 2 pieces of toast. We're not sure. We only made 2 pieces of toast because I didn't ask Clifford beforehand if he was going to want avocado toast. Usually we use about 1 avocado per piece of toast. I know that's a lot of avocado. These are kind of smaller avocados. They're not the big giant Haas avocados. Hold on. Watch right there. There's the end stem part. And I don't know. We love avocado. So maybe you only need 1 avocado for 2 slices of toast. It's up to you. So that's looking good, Sebastian. I have my tomato ready. So now what are we going to do, Sebastian? Let's move this out of the way. I'm going to throw this away and rinse my hands. I have avocado on them. What are you going to do? Spread it around on the toast. Now, we washed our hands beforehand, so maybe you can use your finger. Scoop it off there. Avocado sure is sticky and delicious and a superfood. Oh, so good for you. Yes, some people say, oh, avocados have so much fat in them. It is a healthy fat, really good for your heart fat. So, eat that avocado. It's delicious. Ooh, now you might like a lot of avocado. You might like a little bit of avocado. You get to decide how much avocado you put. Are you going to make mine also?
You can make yours.
Are you going to make me make my own?
No, because it's your birthday weekend.
Oh yeah, it's my birthday week, so he's going to make my toast for me. You can tell I love my birthday. I do in my house celebrate my birthday for a week. Even though I'm getting older, I'm still loving my birthday because that means I'm living life. So you get a birthday, be thankful. There are people in this world not getting another birthday. All right, so very happy to be here. Very happy to have my 44th birthday. By the time you see this, it'll be today, right? It'll be the day. All right, my friends, that looks great. You leaving some avocado for Clifford's toast that he can make when we're done? All right, so now, after you've taken your avocado, he's done a really good job at spreading that avocado all over the toast. Do you want my napkin? Sure. Do you want to decide how much or how many tomato slices you're going to put?
2 on each.
Sure. You want to do it or want me to do it? My man. He did our breakfast dishes this morning because it's my birthday week. Boy, am I feeling special. Awesome. So now I think I'm going to shake the seasoning because I have a multi-seasoning. This is multi-purpose seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, whatever you want to call it. This is the one we make. It's salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, not salt. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And we just make it ourselves, but you can buy an all-purpose seasoning But you could put just pepper on this if you don't do a lot of salt. You could do salt and pepper if you don't want the garlic onion, but we like to use, we call it Nana seasoning because my mom is their Nana and it's her recipe. So or recipe she uses. I think she got it from a big cooking guru. So I'm going to sprinkle this just a little bit across the tomatoes. Oh my delicious. Which one's mine? Which one's yours?
That one's yours.
This one's mine. Let's pick them up. I love it. Looks like eyeballs. Show them that delicious avocado toast. And should we take a bite? Ooh, listen to that crunch. Yummy to my tummy. Do you give it a thumbs up? 2 thumbs up? All right. Well, I hope you get to make some avocado toast soon. Very healthy, very delicious, great lunch today. See you next time. Bye-bye.